Deep in the pitch-black abyss of the ocean lurks one of the most bizarre and terrifying predators, the anglerfish. Its glowing lure, created by bioluminescent bacteria, attracts prey in total darkness. But this elusive deep-sea creature recently made headlines when one was spotted near Tenerife, Canary Islands, far from its usual habitat. The injured fish struggled near the surface and survived only for a few hours. This sighting is incredibly rare, as anglerfish typically live 200 to 2,000 meters below. With a jaw that expands to swallow prey twice its size and a stomach that stretches to match, the anglerfish remains one of the ocean's most mysterious and fascinating creatures.